Okay, so here's my video on the Sony 8000. Now, if you can notice in this video, it's kind of hard to see, but if you look at my little screen right there, that's factory. Super clear. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but if you look at this unit right here, it's more whited out. The screen that they use on here, you can really see it from right here. It has a satin finish to it, but it's supposed to be like anti-glare, but you can see how bad this is. It thumbprints super bad. Like, I'm in dark right now, but if I was outside right now and try to show you guys this, which I'll make another video of outside, but it looks absolutely terrible. Like, it just shows all the smudges from your fingers. You can't even, like, when you start going down at this angle, you can't even see anything. It's terrible. I mean, the angle position of it, it doesn't, in here, in this video, it doesn't look bad when you look at it on here. But if you actually look over here at this screen compared to this screen, it's like night and day difference. That's a factory little tiny screen, and this screen looks like something from 1999 when we used to put TFT screens in cars. I mean, it just looks terrible. I mean, it shows all the smudges. It's got this white effect to it. You can't look at it at different angles because it completely loses everything in it. I mean, the resolution of it is terrible around the text and the fonts and all that. I mean, it's just like a blown up 5000. I do agree with people. So not a great unit in my opinion. Honestly, I was really excited to sell these, but I don't think I'll be selling them anymore. Everything else works great, just like the 5000, but this is disturbing. Like, the whole reason of buying this is to have the screen. The screen is terrible. The way it mounts behind here as well is this piece snaps into the cage, basically the single din. It has a ribbon cable, and then you have to mount these screws to the top, which is almost impossible on some cars with like this, because you have to put the screw in through the top. So it makes it so hard to install this on anything that has any kind of curvature to the dash kit or the dash. So in my opinion, I'm going to be taking this out. The 8000 will be coming out. I'm going to be putting a 5000 in, and I can't stand this. I mean, this is what it looks like all the time, is white fuzz, satin. You can see every glare from everything. When I'm driving this during the day, I try to drive it during the day. You can't even see it. The sun just beats in and it just looks terrible. So not a great unit in my opinion, but maybe they'll get it better next time.